Welcome back guys. In this video we're going to install a 9-volt battery in a guitar pedal. So for this demonstration I'm going to use this pedal. This is the Honeypot Fuzz from TC Electronics. Absolutely fantastic budget pedal, can't recommend it highly enough. I'll put a link in the description if you want to grab one of these for yourself. Really good pedal. Okay, let's get the battery put in it. So you notice a lot of guitar pedals run on batteries, but they don't actually have an instantly accessible and removable battery slot like a lot of things that run on batteries do. So to install the battery, we need to remove these 4 screws from around the corners. Once we've removed the screws and we've opened it up, you'll notice inside there's a little slot for a 9-volt battery in there. So take out the connectors, connect them to the battery, and then the battery will just fit into that slot, and the bottom part of the pedal will just connect to it perfectly. And once you're done, we're going to replace those 4 screws. And that's it, we've installed a 9-volt battery into a guitar pedal. Any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you next time.